The brand new Aero laptop comes with a moonlight silver design, which is crafted by CNC and anodizing to make it look and feel like a luxury item that shows you a taste that is second to none. Furthermore, for the first time, the brand Aero adopts 16-inch design to provide 16x10 bezel-less screen that provides a broader view while being able to be squeezed into a 15-inch chassis. While the new 4-side bezel-less screen promises a whopping 90% of screen-to-body ratio, the browsing areas of screen also accounted for 12% more than the previous one. The new Aero laptop provides a more immersive viewing experience for work and play. The ports have been simplified on Aero to balance aesthetics and practicality. We understand that creators need an experience that is easy on the eye. Hence, we designed the bezel of the screen on Aero to be only 3mm in width to deliver a boundless view to those who count on display for lengthy work or creation. The Oled screen on Aero is favored by its lightning-fast response time and shows no delay while scrolling a web page or watching a fast-paced video. Super wide color gamut is another point that makes Aero stand out from the crowd. The 100% DCI P3 capability allows more color to be seen, and the exclusive dual color accuracy certification guarantees an accurate representation of these colors. The magnificent OLED screen can be enjoyed not just on the brand new Aero 16, but also on Aero 5. More people could be feasted by OLED's brighter and more detailed image appearance. The brand new Aero comes not just with an OLED screen, but a mini LED screen as well. It's brighter and shows unbiased color under different environments. The built-in dual Thunderbolt 4 ports enable more possibilities for work and play, including attaching high-resolution monitors or speedy external drives. Whether it's work or entertainment, you can get satisfaction. Finally, the Gen 4 SSD on Aero guarantees rapid access to your files to bring greater efficiency. The premium hardware inside the beautiful Aero brings superior efficiency to your creation. The Nvidia RTX graphics card shortened the time needed to process or render the creation. And thanks to the hybrid multi-core of the 12th gen processor on Aero, creation has never been this efficient. The RTX 30 graphic on Aero comes with features that could accelerate your work, including RT Core, Tensor Core, and DLSS. It also guarantees quality play for those who are looking for a laptop that is not a trick pony. With Aero 16, we showcase how NVIDIA RTX accelerated ray tracing and NVIDIA DLSS in D5 render allow architects to present their work in real time while maximizing visual output. The bundled Aero Hub provides a series of useful ports for your work, including HDMI, Mini DP, USB-A, and RJ45. Aero is now rearmed with Windows Hello facial recognition to allow safe and rapid access to the system. The 99 watt-hour battery on Aero promises all-day battery life so that you can embrace the best productivity anytime, anywhere. The brand new Aero comes with different sizes, but all promises second-to-none performance, superior display, and unique exterior that will elevate your vision for both work and play.